Minasan konnichiwa. Welcome back to day 6 of learning Japanese with Nico Japanese Academy. Today we are going to see some interesting fact about Japan. In Japan, Tokyo, there was a restaurant called Kayabukiya Tavern. This is also known as Monkey Restaurant. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಮಂಕಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸೇ ಯು ದ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಓನಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಟೂ ಪೆಟ್ ಮಂಕೀಸ್ ಆ ಮಂಕಿ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಮಂಕಿ ನೇಮ್ ಬಂದು ಯಾಕ್ಚಾನ್ and one more monkey name is Fuku-chan. Yak-chan used to serve the customers drinks by taking the orders. Fuku-chan used to serve the hot towels to clean their hands. After the huge earthquake and tsunami at Japan in 2011, this restaurant has been abandoned. Now, let us see some of the vocabularies meanings in Nihongo which we used in this story. First one is monkey, which is saru, and restaurant. Restaurant is restaurant, which is katakana. Next, earthquake, which is jishin. So that's all for day 6. See you tomorrow for day 7. Bye.